Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix safe search not filtering results that should have been filtered. So, for example, you know that you have turned on the safe search, but for some reason the results is still not filtered and you can still see the titles and such that shouldn't be seen for for example for kids or teenagers like that. So what you're gonna do, the first step is search for Google. Yeah, we're still gonna search for Google because although it seem like pretty much the same, on the bottom it reveals this settings button. So click on that one, go to search settings, and then it will automatically go here in privacy and safety. So under the content, as you can see, safe search, the blurring is turned on, but it only blurs images and explicit text and links, but it still shows like you can still click on that one to unblur it. So if you really want to filter it, click this one, so it will literally like filter and remove the explicit images, text, and links. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.